Everything you're doing right now looks sus. That trigger me. I think them it need more creativity. That's yeah. I'm not even know where to go with it. Where them there? Them say man a page, you know. Where them there? Where dog them there? What the So my fellow subscribers, I'm telling me to react to some more prank, right? I just reach home, try to do a video today, but I can't do a prank after it. Moving on. So I'm gonna react to 6K prank first. Zin? People them say, yo, react to 6K, react to 6K. Alright, fine, I react to 6K. So I start the screen recording now, and boom. Yeah, all links will be in the description. See me and say this is my honest reaction to the prank. If it really, if it fake, if it funny, if it not, you will make the intro short and sweet, jump into it. Bam!
Watch out! People name of Jesus, Sulu move! Yo! Jesus again, Sulu! Who don't have blood clean
I feel me one, yo!
See you what? See you what?
Yo, I can't buy them something behind there, yo! Come with good jeans and man!
See you. Are you left for 6K listening to me?
First of all, 6K, try not to touch people when you have prank. One thing with 6K prank them real. Like, you cannot watch film prank them and think, oh, this look like a setup. 6K, go to the people them and like prank them based off of what me. I watch a video still, but in video them authentic. You see what I'm saying?
Never know she like take you!
Try not to touch people, dog, cause you can get charged for assault. Like, I get charged for that area just by touching them. So don't touch the things. You see me?
Yo!
You're bright,
So you go this two game, you don't know you go me and follow in a man.
Boy, I'm mad boy.
That's right, so we have to man.
Bombard, Jabas there. 6K and Jabas are friend. Anyways, moving on.
John no style, you know for the anything and Ella.
You man in back in the chair and not up foolish to Ella.
No man, I'm bad man, I'm bad. Fuck your bum buck like you be a man.
I feel bad now.
Are you a man?
I'm a bad man.
I feel bad today.
Hey, I'm going for blood.
You man in back.
He's a bad man.
You man in back. You man in back.
Come on,
We're parati. We're
I'm too bad man. Yeah.
How much you pay?
Buy this. I'm too cool for that, you know.
You come no man.
Wait, where else? Come on. No, me tell you, I'm my bad.
I really want to do with the blood clot.
Why not stress out the old man dog?
You take a man thing.
Up a racket. Yeah. Which are racket? Let me
tell you about pranks. Basically, to simplify it down for pranks are basically trying to get people reactions in. Personally, them prank ya, where you just go up to people and provoke them. Me like do them. But me do them because people watch them and you want people watch your video them. But me like prank where have creativity, like not just go up to people and provoke them into an argument and say, oh, a reaction. You see what I'm saying? But yeah. Them get a reaction all the time.
Yo, hey, you
yeah man, 6K prank them and Jabas prank them authentic, them not fake them pranks. Not saying that me know anybody who fake them, I just watch them and if it look fake to me, I'm gonna say it because me a YouTuber, me a prankster and me know when a prank look fake, me know.
Miss, palm me bag, miss. Miss, palm me bag. Miss, sincere, let take up my bag, miss.
I'm just coming from work and I just come out of a taxi.
No, miss, I take it.
Them prank ya, we just go to people and just provoke them till them get annoyed. Me think them it need more creativity. That's why personally me not try. Like me do. That's why I go to people and ask them, me can get a head or. I say I'm go to them and like a teddy bear suit. Like me try for be, you know, them prank ya just. I don't really prank them here, but you know, it can't watch. You get whole heap of views on it. 218,000. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna try our next video. Check out 6K link in the description. People them say them have to check our next gold digger prank. Play best. I don't know his real name, but that the yeah.
Follow upon next sir. Follow upon next sir.
Maval camera and I back. Alright, prepared. When catch a camera there. Alright. So far, so good.
Yeah, man, I go out with me. You want you to know me?
Alright, range I use. Can I skip out that intro? Fancy suck on for your brother.
Hey, sister.
Friend.
How about the place you come from?
Yeah.
Christmas, sister.
Yeah, I already know.
Which one?
You're on the YouTube.
YouTube.
Yeah. Wanna you?
Sure, son.
Alright, look like he might go up to people for real. Alright. Yeah, brother, man, like when them, the prank them look set up, dog. This looks legit so far.
Where's the place I come from? No. Friend. Yeah, that means your thanks.
Brother, why your instrumental so f***ing loud? The beginning, bleep out that. Me can't even hear when I say turn on the damn instrumental, brother. We are speed up it. How can I edit this?
So fast.
Alright, this look legit. Like that girl that walk. Stop, brother. Stop. Speed up. When I talk about, brother, more here. So far, this look legit. Like the girl did a walk and people that just walk and stand up on a lonely road. But she's not really gold digger car. Now look, you look her. You never look at a girl and bring her here the same day yet. Sorry, man, skip it up. I get bored. Alright, she not here now. Alright, she not here.
You not even know you're not go out with you.
I don't even know you're not go out with you.
You want you to know me?
Eh?
You want you to know me?
How?
Yeah?
Yeah, I not even know you're not go out with you. Boss! Want you to say it again. Way! I don't even know you're not go with you. It's a woman. This a prank look real. This not look set up. If this set up, this a girl a real actor. So now we're gonna check out Chuck Star. I left a car open in the ghetto for 24 hours. Somebody sent me this video specifically. Them say react to this. I was like, okay. Now, you can't, as me say, you cannot go in a ghetto and do a prank if you're not from there. How me know that? One, I live a ghetto multiple times. I live a Mary Lane, at a Marcus Garvey Drive there, so. I live a Augustown. I live a Chisholm. Brother, I got a whole heap of ghetto. You know what I say? If you're not from there, you cannot record. Or if you know people from there. So I'm gonna check it out now. First of all, where is that cameraman? And why him look so close? Like him just stand up on the damn sidewalk, brother.
Right now, if me have this one day, Stacy.
What a while ago?
Right now, if me have this one day, Stacy pussy. Boss up.
Wagwan people, welcome back to the YouTube channel. They are the boy Chuck Star, so basically me.
Big man. Big man. It's most a madman that go in the car, like somebody were insane. Like what? Let me pull it up one last time, sorry. Somebody in the car, you left the car with somebody in there, in run go so and then run go so.
Right now, if me have this one day, Stacy pussy. Boss up.
When people are going in a car, they not think about oh if I own the car. They might think about when in the car for tea. You might talk about if me have the car, Stacy boss up and bro, this looks sus dog. What's going on?
I'ma tell you about the Honda, get me a girl number, the Honda.
And next thing, when you have the prank in a ghetto, you know crowded, you have to find somewhere where they have gathering like a square or what me that say? Yeah. You really forgot bombard. You can't serious. No, wait, I genuinely try to remember what me that say. You can't go in the ghetto. Oh yeah, the thief them are going in the car. For thief, them not going in the car for thief the car, brother. So that looks so set already. I don't know. Anyways, continue. Oh, brother. First of all, that already look dead. When you are going to get a prank, you have to find like a square. And usually people only come out at night. It's a money I big video broad day I left the car and bro. This looks sus in the dog. Everything you're doing right now looks sus. It trigger me. Yo, how we are gonna know if it real or fake is the end part.
People may see the first boy in the first scene, like him go for somebody on a bike and come back.
Yes, big. Wagwan.
Alright.
There.
Right.
So yeah, there, sir.
That was a little video me shoot. YouTube video. I know a couple dogs around there, so I say I can do a video.
No, man, I fight this thing there for run money.
Run money for do a prank?
Yeah, I mean, for do, I mean.
So I left 3 grand in the same.
You about no money, brother. Yeah, tell me, say. You see when me take up it?
So why you hide them face? You get checked now the you hide them face. So you can't man why you hide them face for?
Watch it.
Watch
Watch it.
it.
You tell me, cut your shot in them. Oh, you have to run. Right now, you know. You have to run money to do prank. Yes, sir. You know, not chatting.
The 3 grand you take up, you can just laugh.
You see me? You didn't see me? You didn't see me?
Brother, you're going to your friend place to prank and you just say your dog them say you can't video around and stuff. Where your dog them the way I govern you. One
no
you
business.
come back come.
Tell me nothing. If you don't have no money, better you leave. Yo, left. Left.
Me confused
That's
as to
one
what
park up, blood clot, big carry. I'm to your boy and say a bad man.
This look like this
I'm
look
some man.
set up
Lift
dog
up.
like you say the dog them make you can video in them place. That you say you know, right? You say the dog them say you can't video. Your dog them supposed to be in the area cause one I get to you there so them supposed to in the area, you know, come from there. Me know this working, I do prank I get up. Where them there them say man a page you know, where them there, where dog them there? I dog them this, I dog them this yeah. I caught this. Hey, it's entertaining. When you can't watch it, people are saying my bad fan. Look, it's entertaining, right? You leave a like and subscribe. See it. All the links will be in the description. Play best Chuckstar and 6K TV.